Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today I am reviewing Oshizushi. It is a pressed wooden sushi mold. It makes neat pressed sushi at a fraction of the restaurant sushi. It's called Oshizushi. Pressed sushi, one of the oldest styles of sushi from Osaka, Japan. The mold is made of Japanese Hiba wood, which has natural antibacterial properties and a soothing aroma. Using it is real simple. The result is beautiful, delicious, and so much easier than rolling. And the best part, you can fill Oshizushi with almost anything you like. You can get the full recipe and step-by-step guide at thegoodplate.com. Ever forward, ever flavorful. Yum, yum!